Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and to show off our first kit bundle we're doing. So we're just finally starting off doing kit bundles, and we can grab it all in one go. So to start off, what we got in this one is the Eagle Industries padded war belt. These ones include a size 28, which that's 28 inches of padding, which will work for most people. It works for me, and I have a 34-inch waist. So make sure to check that out, give yourself a measure, see what 28 inches can do for you. So yeah, first off, padded waist belt, which is good for anybody. Second thing is the Eagle Industries padded Multicam Holster. These are fairly universal. They're going to fit everything on M9, the new M17s, and a lot in between. So any full-size 9mm service type pistol is going to fit in this. It's going to go anywhere in your kit because it's Molly. It's just a good overall basic pistol for anything. Best pistol holster for anything. Next up is a Eagle Industries double mag pouch. These are near indestructible and going to carry all your favorite magazines for your rifle, and it's a good way to go to start off with carrying ammo. Next up, Canteen Pouch from Eagle Industries as well. These are a great canteen pouch and a great general purpose pouch in general. So you're going to go ahead and have a GP pouch on your belt or on your kit, wherever you put this, to start off with. And then one last pouch. And the last pouch is an Eagle Industries Kydex M9 pouch. So this is going to carry, again, just like the holster, pretty much all of your favorite standard 9mm double stack magazines. This is going to carry it very securely. And if it fits so far as height goes, extra retention. This is a good way to carry, basically your pistol, rifle mags, and some general purpose stuff. Carry it all in one go, and you're pretty set. Make sure to check it out. Let us know what you think, what you'd like to see next. This kit I just went over is only available until Friday, so we're keeping it limited time. So make sure you head on over, check it out, grab them while it's there, and let us know what you want to see next.